Our planet is home to a variety of species, both new and old, many of which have yet to be discovered. Scientists and explorers are constantly revealing unknown species, both on land and in Earth's vast and unknown oceans. Despite years of exploration, the seas, especially those hidden under the ancient ice sheets of Antarctica, maintain their aura of mystery. In recent decades, experts have drilled into the Antarctic ice, revealing unique and little understood ecosystems, along with never-before-seen creatures that strike awe and fear. Join us as we show you discoveries under Antarctica that have terrified scientists. Old map of Antarctica. In the Topkapi Palace Library in Istanbul, you can find the Piri Reis map, an ancient document created in 1513 by the Ottoman cartographer Piri Reis. It is one of the first maps showing the Americas and was made using sources from before Columbus. Discovered in 1929 by the German theologian Paul Cayley, it generated interest and debate among scholars. The Piri Reis map depicted the Antarctic coastline accurately long before its official discovery. Shows the Antarctic continent in its correct longitude and latitude, with defined valleys and mountain ranges. The shoreline coincides remarkably with modern maps. How could the cartographers of the 16th century chart a continent that would not be explored until centuries later? This map challenges preconceived ideas about ancient cartographic knowledge, suggesting advanced navigation skills and mathematical understanding in ancient civilizations. The existence of accurate maps prior to human discovery indicates the influence of unknown advanced cultures. Some speculate that the map is based on sources over 10,000 years old, even suggesting extraterrestrial origins, or the legendary Atlantis. As technology advances, previously questioned details are revealed to be accurate. What secrets could the map under modern analysis reveal? How did they achieve such precision with limited tools? Persistent questions about the Piri Reis map point to more advanced civilizations than imagined. Shape-changing organism. The Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory is under the ice in Antarctica and was built between 2005 and 2010. It has more than 5,000 optical sensors on cables in the ice. It detects very small particles called neutrinos from cosmic events in space. Their goal is to study high-energy neutrinos from astronomical sources such as stars and black holes. During the installation, the Ice Cube researchers found something amazing in the cold, dark water under the ice, a squid-like creature that could change its shape in unique ways. As the camera zoomed in, the creature changed its shape as if to imitate the team. This caused some to suggest that it could be a new unknown species. His physics-defying shape-shifting abilities suggest a unique ecosystem in Antarctica, under the ice for thousands of years. These puzzling abilities indicate complex life forms in subterranean lakes and seas, with unprecedented characteristics. The Ice Cube team recognized the images of the creature, captured by a camera that went down 1,300 meters in Shaft 13. Although depth estimates are not exact due to difficulties under 2.5 kilometers of ice, experts are studying the video, investigating the irregular change of shape of the creature. Initially it looked like a squid, but marine biologists confirmed that it was not known. Some suggest that its abilities indicate a biosphere adapted to the Antarctic ice. This finding raises questions about underexplored ecosystems and life's ability to adapt. Although more research is needed to understand the mysteries, this encounter shows the potential surprises in the Antarctic biosphere. Atlantis in Antarctica. Under the vast ice of Antarctica, the ancient lost city of Atlantis could be hidden, according to a surprising theory. Clues such as ancient maps, intriguing images, and the possibility of a visible pyramid suggest the existence of an ancient buried civilization. Some believe that 12,000 years ago, Antarctica was home to a society that thrived before being covered by ice due to changes in the Earth's crust. The legend of Atlantis, mentioned by Plato in 360 BC, describes an advanced society founded by demigods on a rich and sophisticated island, which sank into the sea. Although the evidence is limited, Antarctica closely matches this description, generating excitement and debate about the secrets and knowledge it might hide beneath the ice. The enduring legend of Atlantis and its possible connection to Antarctica add layers to this historical enigma. As the ice recedes, the question is whether artifacts and records will be revealed, symbolizing undiscovered human history. For now, Antarctica keeps its secrets, but the ice cannot preserve the past forever. Giant volcanoes. Antarctica is not just about ice. Beneath the frozen surface of Antarctica, the fire giants rumble. Antarctica is home to a kingdom of volcanoes with peaks rising above the frozen landscape. More than 138 volcanoes dot the continent, making it one of the most concentrated volcanic areas on Earth. Mountains of fire rise up along the Antarctic peninsula, while others remain buried under immense sheets of ice. The volcanoes of Antarctica reveal a hidden side of the frozen continent and help unlock its past. Among the most famous is Mount Erebus, the highest active volcano in Antarctica. It rises to 3,794 meters on Ross Island, near McMurdo Station. Its lava lake has been bubbling non-stop since the 1970s. Erebus frequently triggers Strombolian eruptions that launch lava bombs high into the air. Deception Island, in the South Shetland Islands archipelago, also has an active volcanic legacy. The flooded caldera of an ancient collapsed volcano forms a natural harbor. Recent eruptions have caused damage to the bases, underscoring the still active forces boiling beneath Deception Island. These volcanoes in Antarctica remind us that beneath their icy appearance lies a world of constant volcanic activity that shapes the landscape and contributes to the continent's dynamics. Buried River. Beneath the endless ice of Antarctica lies a newfound wonder, a system of colossal rivers that meander beneath the frozen surface. This liquid labyrinth stretches for 460 kilometers, longer than the River Thames in England, challenging the idea that Antarctic ice is impermeable. Using ice-penetrating radar, the scientists map these underground currents that funnel meltwater into the ocean. This underground system regulates the ice sheet, acting as release valves to prevent ice from slipping into the sea. However, climate change is upsetting this balance. As melting accelerates, more water is flowing through these rivers, raising concerns about a possible collapse. Scientists study how these rivers affect the stability of the ice sheet. This discovery underlines the mysterious strength of the Earth and reminds us of our influence on it. With the ice thinning, we must protect this aquatic world under the ice and reconsider our impact on Earth's last frozen frontier, the Ice Pyramid. Surely you know about the famous pyramids, wonders that have endured over time. But did you know that there are pyramids in Antarctica? Yes, there are strange ice pyramids there. These structures, similar in size and shape to those in Egypt, were noted by amateur researchers on satellite images. This generated theories about ancient civilizations and even extraterrestrial activity. Some think that the pyramids are evidence of ancient cultures that lived in Antarctica before it froze over. Others mention the possibility of alien builders, noting similarities to alien architecture elsewhere. However, there are scientific explanations for these pyramids. Some researchers suggest that they could be rock formations that emerge through the ice and snow. Often these formations take on pyramid shapes due to erosion, although its symmetry and proportions are difficult to explain with natural processes alone. But what is essential here is not only whether they are human or natural constructions. Their meaning lies in what they represent, the spirit of exploration and human curiosity. From our first steps out of Africa to space exploration, the desire to understand the unknown has driven us. Antarctica remains one of the last frontiers. What better symbol of our desire for knowledge than finding ancient pyramids in the depths of the earth?